Chapter 4. The Realms of the Earth. Learning Objectives. Spheres of the Earth. Interdependence of the spheres. Let's begin. In the sky above, so bright and so clear, the atmosphere gives us air to breathe here. Below us lies the solid ground. The lithosphere is where life is found. With rivers and oceans, vast and wide, the hydrosphere helps life thrive and glide. From tiny creatures to giant trees, the biosphere buzzes with life and ease. These four spheres work together each day, creating a world where we can play. Earth is unique because it is the only planet in our solar system that sustains life. There are various resources that support life. These resources which support life and promote the cycle of life on Earth are called the spheres or realms of the Earth. There are four realms of the Earth: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Lithosphere. The physical structure of the Earth can be divided into three parts. Its innermost part is called the core. The middle part is called the mantle, and the uppermost part is called the crust. The lithosphere consists of the crust and the thin upper layer of the mantle. It is solid in nature, with thickness varying from 10 kilometers at some oceanic areas of 300 kilometers in continental areas. The lithosphere is uneven all over the Earth. It has various geographical features like plains, mountains, deserts, and coastal areas. This is the layer on which human beings and land animals dwell. The lithosphere is always in motion as it is made up of tectonic plates. This movement of the tectonic plates under the surface of the Earth is responsible for geographical phenomena such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Atmosphere covers the Earth like a blanket. It protects life on the planet from harmful ultraviolet rays and radiations of the sun. The air we breathe is present in this layer only. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases: 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% mixture of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, dust particles, and water vapor. This layer keeps the Earth warm by trapping the sun's heat inside. Think up. What do you think would happen if Earth had no atmosphere? The atmosphere is divided into the following 5 layers. Layer, range, features. Troposphere, 17 kilometers. This layer is closest to the Earth's surface. It is the warmest and contains 80% mass of the atmosphere. Stratosphere, 1750 kilometers. This layer has the ozone layer, which saves us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Aeroplanes fly in this layer only. Mesosphere, 85 kilometers. This is the layer in which the falling meteors get burnt due to the heat of the Earth while entering the atmosphere. Thermosphere, 690 kilometers. This is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. The temperature of this layer can rise up to 15,000 degrees C. Exosphere, between 1,000 and 10,000 kilometers. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. Many weather satellites revolve around the Earth in this layer. Ionosphere, above 10,000 kilometers. Radio waves are transmitted in this layer. Hydrosphere consists of all the water present on the Earth in all 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Water covers 71% surface of the Earth in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, and other water bodies. It is present in huge quantities on the North Pole and the South Pole in the form of ice caps and snow. It also consists of the water vapors present in the air. The hydrosphere has a very important role in supporting life because it supports the climate, rainfall, and other such aspects. The water present on the earth moves continuously in a cycle. This cycle is known as the water cycle. The amount of water present on the earth is believed to be consistent since the formation of the earth till present day. Most of the water is present in the oceans of the world and is saline water. Only 3% water on the earth is fresh water. Of that, only 1.2% can be used as drinking water. The rest is in the form of glaciers, ice caps, and permafrost, or buried deep in the ground. Fact frame: the first life form on Earth is believed to have evolved in water. The creature lived in water and then crawled out and became the first land animal. Biosphere: biosphere gives space to all the life forms present on the earth, from the microorganisms to the largest animals present on the earth. All exist in the biosphere. This is the sphere which interacts with all other spheres. The life in this sphere reacts to all the changes in any of the other spheres. Scientists believe that there must be at least 30 million species on the earth, but they have been able to identify only 1.6 million species till date. The biosphere is a very narrow zone of the earth, as it is limited by climatic conditions, air pressure, temperature, and light. It extends from the deepest depths of the oceans to the highest snow line in the tropical and subtropical mountainous region. Biosphere is the smallest sphere of the earth, yet it affects all other realms of the earth. All the life forms together make the ecosystem on the earth. Everything we see around us and all the resources present on the earth are part of the environment. The most unique thing about the environment is that it is non-static. It is very dynamic and consists of all the living and non-living things. It provides us with all our basic needs, which make life suitable for all living beings. But today, due to ill practices by humans like deforestation and pollution, the ecosystem is getting disturbed. Humans are responsible, be it for the harm to the ozone layer or the pollution which infects every other realm of the earth. We need to put a stop on this urgently, not just for us, but for the sake of our future generations. Recall: Earth is unique because it is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Earth can be divided into 4 parts, which are called spheres or realms of the earth. The lithosphere consists of the crust and the thin upper layer of the mantle. Atmosphere is the layer that covers the earth like a blanket. Hydrosphere consists of all the water present on earth in all 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Biosphere consists of all the life forms present on the earth